If your UX design looks like a maze, you're losing users. Let's fix that. First up, clear navigation. Make sure users can easily find what they're looking for with intuitive navigation. Next, consistent design. Consistency in colors, fonts, and styles builds trust and enhances user experience. Third, fast load times. Optimized load times keep users engaged and reduce bounce rates. Fourth, responsive design. Ensure a seamless experience across all devices, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile. Tip 5, user feedback. Collect and act on user feedback to understand and meet user needs. Sixth, engaging content. Interactive content like videos and infographics keeps users interested and coming back for more. And finally, accessibility. Make your site accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities, to expand your audience. Implement these UX tips to boost user engagement and satisfaction. Follow for more UX tips. #UX design, #user engagement, like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill.